Dear student, good morning. Today topics are Rydberg's equation. So let me start the topic. So what are the Rydberg equation? It is equal to 1 upon lambda, and 1 upon lambda is equal to nu bar, because the relation between the lambda and wave number is always be rationally proportional, and is equal to the Rydberg constant and the energy level of two states, N1 and N2 are the energy level, and Rydberg constant is equal to 109677 per centimeter. So our equation is true only for spectral lines of hydrogen atom or hydrogen like ions, means those only contain only one electron. For example, in a case of helium, helium has two electron in the atomic neutral atom, but if they are released the one electron, so they have positive charge consist, so they become into the proton condition, means He positive. Lithium atomic number in a neutral atom is lithium is equal to 3 electron in a neutral atom it has, but if it is released to the one electron, so they possess the Li2 positive, and if the two electrons are released, so lithium become into the hydrogen like condition. The Li2 positive and helium positive both are have the one electron in their state. So Rydberg equation is only solve the numerical if the atom has one electron in their orbit. So the modification in the Rydberg equation is 1 upon lambda equal to nu bar equal to Rydberg constant and 1 square minus nt square, then multiply by the Z square. Z means charge of nucleus. So where Z is nuclear charge, for helium it is equal to 2 because the atomic number of helium is 2. Lithium it is Z equal to 3 because the atomic number of lithium is 3. So spectra of other atoms are complex and consist of very large number of lines. So we can, by the Rydberg equation, we can only solve those have one electron in their orbit. So student, and the numerical are based on this segment. So first numerical is based in NCERT book is 2.13. What is wavelength of light emitted when the electron in hydrogen atom undergoes from an energy level with n equal to 4 to an energy level with n equal to 2. So what is the color of radiation? So student, in this question the value are given. The first state ground level is n1 is equal to 2, second one is equal to 4. Rydberg constant, you know the value of this 109677 per centimeter. So first we calculate the wavelength, and the formula of wavelength is equal to 1 upon lambda equal to r n1 square minus n2 square. So we put all the value. So after the solving this, the lambda is equal to 64, then divided by 12 into 10967. So after the calculation, the value is come 4.86 into 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter. We convert into the basic unit, means centimeter. It is equal to 4.86 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. You know 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So the value is 486 nanometer, and it is bluish green color they are given. So student, by the atomic spectra related, which type of a wavelength are produced by the atom, we can distinguish easily. So you can understood this type of numerical are based on the Rydberg equation 2.13. In a simple question, the wavelength are asked in this question. What is the color of radiation are also asked. So it's a visible region wavelength, so they are given the bluish green color. Next question is 2.33. The question is, what transition in the hydrogen spectrum would have the same wavelength as the Balmer series transition, where n1 is equal to 4 and n value is equal to 2 of He positive spectrum, helium ion spectrum. So for helium spectrum, and the first n1 value is 2 and n2 value is 4, and in helium the atomic number is 2, so Z is equal to 2, and in the question they want to ask us wavelength, so we can calculate the wavelength. So 1 lambda is equal to rz square 1 n1 square minus n2 square, or 1 upon lambda is equal to r, where the z is equal to 2, so 2 square, n1 value is 2, so 2 square minus n2 is n2 value is 4, means 4 square. So 1 upon lambda is equal to, after the calculation, the value is 3 upon 4r. It's become into the equation first. For hydrogen atom, 1 upon lambda is equal to r, the z is 1, so we can put only the value of Rydberg, n1 square minus n2 square, it is equation number second. So 1 upon lambda is equal to 1 upon n1 square minus n2 square equal to 3 upon 4. If we solve these, summarize the two equations. So since lambda in the same in equation first and second are same, therefore the transition from ny2 to ny1 in hydrogen atom will have the same wavelength as the transition from n equal to 4 and equal to 2 in helium ion. Means in the transition in this question asked, so the helium ion, when we summarize the two equations, so the transition are same as helium ion. So it's a typical question, students. By the help of this display you can solve, then you understood what are the question and what are the value they want to ask to in the question. The next is a question, calculate the wave number nu bar for the longest wavelength transition in the Balmer series of atomic hydrogen. The n1 in a Balmer series, n1 is equal to 2 and n2 is equal to 3. So r value we know, it's a constant 1.097 into 10 to the power 7 per meter. Wave number is equal to, we put the value of Rydberg equation, nu bar, because 1 upon lambda is equal to nu bar, because the relation between the nu bar and nu bar means wave number and wavelength is inversely proportional. So nu bar, we put the value of nu bar in except the case of wavelength for this. So in this question we put the value of nu bar 1.097 to 10 to the power 7 is the value of Rydberg constant. n1 value is 2 and n2 value is 3, so 2 square minus 3 square, so 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon 3 square, we solve the calculation. So the answer is 1.523 into 10 to the power 6 per meter. So student, it's a easy question, and this type of question is based on the Rydberg equation, so you can easily solve. Next is the question 2.55. Imagine transition in a partial series and at orbit n equal to 3 and start from an orbit n and can be represented as nu wave number is equal to 3.29 into 10 to the power 16 hertz, where 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Calculate the value of n if the transition is obtained at 1285 nanometer. Find the region of spectrum. So student, in this question the wavelength is given. The wavelength is 1285 nanometers. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So we change the value. Velocity of light, we know it is equal to 3.010 to the power 8 meter per second. The formula of calculate the frequency is equal to c divided by the velocity of light divided by the wavelength. So 3.010 to the power 8 divided by 1285 into 10 to the power minus 9. So the frequency of wavelength is 2.33 into 10 to the power 14 per second. Frequency is equal to, in the question, 3.29. If we see the value of this, so frequency is equal to 3.29 into 10 to the power 16, and then in a bracket 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon n2 square. So we put the value of frequency 2.33 into 10 to the power 14 per second, and the whole equation we put. So after the solve of this value, so the n2 value is come 24.85 is similar to 25. So n1 after the under root of 25 the value is 5. So it's coming to the infrared region. So student, it's a typical question, also belongs to when the value of n is asked in this question. N2 value means when the radiation is emitted, so wavelength is coming to the higher zone. So easily you can see on the display and solve this type of a question because it's based on a Rydberg equation. So student, on Rydberg equation, the various typical type of question are based. In a question 2.55, the n2 values asked. You can solve by the Rydberg equation. The question number 2.17, only the wave number is asked. Question number 2.33, the summarize the two equation and the transition is asked in this question. So it's equal to a helium ion. So you can solve this question. Next is 2.13. This type of question is asked. In this question by the Rydberg equation, the wavelength of particular is asked in this question. You can solve this type. And this is the equation of Rydberg. So student, I hope you understood about the topic and how can we solve the numerical are based on the Rydberg equation. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot.